Hello guys, Realme Narjo 60 Pro 5G launch 6 July 2023. Most of this mobile very useful. You can see इसकी picture quality so nice. इसकी model you can see slim इसकी voice recording इसकी clear you can see Android भी 13 spacing MediaTek Dimensity 7050 very good octa-core processor 2.6 GHz dual core plus 2 GHz hexa-core 8 GB RAM available. Display quality you can see 6.7 inch 17.02 centimeter AMOLED 1080 into 2412 pixel 394 ppl. So nice this display. Gorilla Glass protection so nice. Gorilla Glass protection you can see Gorilla Glasses protection. Gorilla Glasses protection you can see Gorilla Glasses and dual camera setup 100 MP wide angle prime camera so nice 2 megapixel deep camera lead flash 4K at 30 fps video recording kya so nice this camera quality rear camera and back camera front camera 16 megapixel wide angle lens so nice interesting full HD 30 MPS video recording battery quality 5000 mAh 67 watt super box charging USB type C port so nice general SIM1 nano SIM2 nano minimum cutting 5G support in India spacing 128 128 GB internal storage non-expandable. See full space you can see. Designing display size screen size 6.7 inch 17.02 centimeter resolution at 1080 2412 pixel aspect ratio 20:9 का pixel density 394 ppi screen to body 90.75% bezel-less ears with punch hole display touch screen capacity touch screen multitask brightness 950 nits HDR 10 HDR supported yes HDR so nice important feature this mobile Narjo 60 Pro screen to body ratio 93.65 designing height 161.6 mm so nice wide 73.9 millimeter thickness 8.2 millimeter weight 185 grams colors mar orange cosmetic black so nice camera features you can see 100 MP primary wide angle 79 field of view secondary 2 MP oblique 2.4 depth so nice auto focus yes OIS yes flash yes LED yes flash so interesting image resolution 11,050 1550 into 8700 pixels setting explore composition ISO controller so nice shooting mode continuous shooting high dynamic range mode HDR so interesting camera features digital zoom auto flash face detection touch to focus video recording 3840 into 2160 added 30 MPS 9020 into 1080 added 30 MPS 1280 into 720 at rate 120 fps. Video recording feature, dual video recordings. So nice. Front camera, you can see 16 MP f over 2.45 f lens, wide angles, video quality 20 into 1080 at rate 30 fps. Battery capacity 5000 mAh, type Li polymer. So nice. Removable, no. Okay. Quick charging, yes. Supporting VOOC 67W watt, 50%, 18 minutes. Okay. USB type C, yes. Internal 128 GB. Storage, expanded memory, no. Storage type UFS 3.1. SIM slot, dual SIM, GSM plus GSM, 2 dual SIM size, nano. Network slot 5G supported, India 4G, India 3G 2G, voltage, yes. SIM 5G brand, 4G brand, 3G greater than 5G, 4 less than 2G brand, GPRS ADG brand, 5G brand, FDD N1 nano, N1, N3, N5, N8, 4G brand, TDLT 20 brand, 40 2500 41, FD Lite, LTE 2100 brand, 1800 band, 900 band 8 or 700 band 28, 3G brand, UMPTS 1900, 850 match, GSM 1800, 1900, 850, 2G brand, 3G brand के लिए 2100, 850 mAh, 2G brand, GSM 1800, 19, 8050, 9, GPRS available, UDG available, SIM to 5G brand, 4G brand, 3G brand, 2G brand, expand 5G brand में FDD N1, N3, N5, N8, N20, 4G brand TDL 2300 brand, 40 to 500 brand, 41, 3G brand में 1900, 2100, 850, 900 mAh, 2G brand GSM 1800, 1900, 800, 850, 900 mAh, GPRS available, NTG available, Wi-Fi features, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, yes. 5.2, GPS, yes. GPS glance, USB connectivity, mass storage device, USB charging, multimedia, stereo speaker, yes. Loudspeaker, yes. Audio jack, USB type C, audio features, Dolby Atmos, sensor, yes. Finger sensor, yes. Finger sensor position on a screen, yes. So nice. Fingerprint sensor type opticals, so wonderful. Oh, wonderful. Other sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerator, compass tree. You can see photo. Realme Narjo 60 Pro design, back design so nice, camera design so nice, sidewise side design, slim fit as a biscuit, right side left side, a speaker back side, sound so nice, slim, charger point so interesting, so wonderful camera quality, right side left side back side, you can see competitor, MediaTek Dimension 6020 as a price 17 $8,999. 60 Realme 60 5G. You can see very useful and interesting phone, and very important this phone. You can see and variant 8 GB RAM storage. Competitor Realme 11 Pro. Launch time 6 July 2023.